Hi and welcome back to Mountain Aromatics. Today I have Linalyl Cinnamate. I love this one. I'll just start off saying that. So it is a base. It is 130 hours on the test strip, and I'll go ahead and put some on there right now. And it is, this one I have to just read the back because part of it I agree with and part of it I have some of my own thoughts about it. So, floral, fruity, balsamic, not balsam, but balsamic, sweet. It's used to sweeten florals, fruity, oriental, things like that. It's a blending agent and a fixative, and I put it goes good with neroli, but to me it goes good with a lot of stuff, and I'll explain that in just a few minutes. I absolutely agree and will tell you, to me, this is an amazing blender. Just pulling all of your stuff together and making it a cohesive formula. And it is a excellent fixative as well. When I use this, I'm like, should I go ahead and smell it and then tell you and go? Anyway, I'll just tell you really quick. So I use this when I want to give a little bit of sweetness to a formula, but not like candy sweet, but I need to sweeten it just a tad, but I need the whole thing to come together. This is by far, I know I review a lot of materials and stuff like that, but to me, by far, an amazing blender fixative that gives you a tiny bit of sweetness, but not candy sweet. This is number one. I love this one. So, I am going to smell. It's one of those that I can't really smell anything. I want to say it's one of those where when you, I'm going to tell you, like I've said in a number of my other videos, to make a small formula, one with this and one without this, and smell the difference, but give it a day, at least a day, and I'll tell you, because to me this one takes a while for it to do its magic, but it does magic. Please do a tiny little formula, one with and then one without, and come back 2 or 3 days later and put a test strip in each and smell the difference, because you'll go, oh, now I get it. Because when you smell like this, you're not going to get much at all. And I'm just going to assume, because this is a bigger molecule, heavier molecule, that it's harder for the brain to perceive the aroma. It just is, I don't even know that I can say, it's just really light. And you're like, what does it smell like? I don't get anything. I don't, but this is one of those you're going to have to trust me with, because it is, it does so much work. It smells like the clouds. I don't know. I just, it's very, very light, elusive. Almost nothing is there. But all I know is when you use it in a formula, wow, it makes things a tiny bit sweeter. Totally is a blender. and gives cohesiveness to your formula. And I am not just saying that, I am telling you that is what it does. I have been working with this material for a while, and at first I was like, I was like, what good is this? I don't understand. And then come back and you smell those formulas and you're like, oh, totally get it. So how do you use this? Guess what? I'm going to show you a formula. I'm not going to give you the exact drops, but you can tell it's not that much. But I'm going to show you what I put in here, okay? And in no particular order either. So amber animal base. So what I'm about to show you, when I show you what all I put in here, this is the thing that's going to pull all this stuff together that I'm about to show you. So amber animal base accord from creatingperfume.com. All of these are, this one, the accord, is from Susan Lemon. Her little magic in a bottle. I love it. It's very warm. Cumarex DB 100 hours is a base as well. So this one's going to be pretty heavy, but this is going to give it a little bit of lift and pull it all together. Then strawberry olfactory. Hang on, because I'm telling you, I went over this before. You watch some of my other videos, because I'm telling you, the strawberry olfactory, I am not going for a strawberry aroma. Why? Because what I'm going to do is put it with clear wood. You can either use clear wood or patchouli, and putting just like a drop or a 50% of the strawberry olfactory into a formula with patchouli or clear wood is magic. It's crazy what it does, especially to the woody, heavy, masculine type aromas. Magic. It's crazy. It's amazing. I'm telling you, that is my gift to you, telling you that. One of my all-time favorites, Tropical Wood Accord. Another magic in a bottle from Susan. Good Lord, it's my favorite. Ambroxan. I'm just going to tell you, it's by KAO. That's the company. When you use this, remember, use trace amounts of this, and it will do a lot more beautiful things and come out in a more beautiful way in trace amounts. Just a heads up. Black agar. There are 2 black agars now. So this black agar is the Black Agar Giveco. That is in the beginner's kit from creatingperfume.com. All of these are in the beginner's kit. Actually, yeah, all of these are in the beginner's kit. So I put them together right here. I have yet to smell it, and I added, of course, the Linalyl Cinnamate. And you don't have to use much of this at all. You just don't. But it needs to sit for a day or two for it to really, for its properties to really come forth, which is sweetening and blending and making a cohesive formula. But I'm going to go ahead and open this. Whoa. Whoa. It's nice. It's really, really cool. But it could totally smell different on the test strip. So let's find out what it is like on the test strip. It already has a sweet, or I'm going to just tell you this really quick from here. It has a sweet masculine wood. It's sweet wood. It just is. And I put like the amber animal base. I mean, it's a base. It's, it's warm and animal, but it turns it into a little bit of sweet, warm animal. Not too animalic, really. Not too animalic at all. But wow. Okay. Dude, this is heaven. Really, really nice. This is like a... I was gonna say wintry, and you can wear this in the winter on a really cold day. And I think the warm facets will come out. But check this out. You could wear this on a summer or warmer day, and the cooler facets, because this is bizarre, but there's warm facets and there's cooler facets. And to be honest, the cooling facets, where does that come from? The only thing I can say would be maybe the strawberry, the Kumarex, or the tropical wood. Maybe the Linalyl Cinnamate as well, but wow. This is, I wouldn't change anything that I do here. I love this. It is not really woody. It's more warm, ambery, warm. The Kumarex with the strawberry and the tropical wood, those almost give a slight gourmand aroma to it, and just slight, but makes it beautiful. Wow, that is awesome. So that is a great way, a great example of how you use Linalyl Cinnamate to kind of sweeten up something and blend. Wow. Give this a try, see what you think, and I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, get on it. I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.